Just making an assembly video of the revamped B9 robot from the tread section up to its waist. As everybody knows, getting older sucks, and it was getting hard for myself and the wife to get the robot out of the house and back in for Comic-Cons and things like that. So he's been pretty much just staying put. So first thing I did was I now have each foot section of the treads separated, and inside here is latching hooks. It matches on both sides, and I just lift the left one up, and it snaps right into the right side there. Let me pause the video and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, now that took a grand total of about 5 seconds to put together, but as you can see, it's attached together. It's not going nowhere. And they make these low profile hanging things for really heavy stuff that work perfect for that. It snaps right in, really perfect. It has the right gap between the left and the right hand foot. What I've got here for easy assembly is these forms that I 3D printed. It fits the inside of the legs, and that will keep the legs in alignment, and easy to hook up power connectors, as you'll see here in the next clip. You can see how that fits snug in those forms that I 3D printed, and it keeps the leg centered and in place where it needs to be. The two cords coming up just has simple little Anderson connectors. This one's color coded red, and that means it's for the charge port. And this one here, that's the main power to the robot itself. And this cord here goes down to the main power switch, which I can show you around the back. Here's the charge port and the main power switch. And now that I've got the waist put on and everything, I take these aluminum tubing here, and it just lays across the whole thing, front and rear, and goes down there, and it's got these nuts that holds the waist tight down onto its knee plates. They're just snug. I mean, it just keeps it from, going somewhere, but, so that's how that is done. And next up would be connect this wire to its waist plate and snap it down to the waist, and we'll see that in a little bit. And that completes the assembly of the new bottom half of the robot, with the exception of the soil sampler door, which I'm just going to put the door in there. The actual soil sampler, that's something I might do. That's probably going to be in retirement. And then also, there's hinges that go between these two knee plates. Gotta put them on. Other than that, that completes the assembly of the lower half. And it was probably, I don't know, less than 10 minutes. Alrighty. The next step in the process is to install the what they call the CCS, Central Support System. So what we have, I'll start from the front. This, of course, is the speaker. That is used for the robot's voice. In the rear is the background sound, the clacking sound you hear. Speaker for that. This is a amplifier, Bluetooth amplifier that gets a signal from the laptop of the robot talking, and then that goes, of course, to the neon and the voice. And that is a little electric cylinder. You just seen that go up and then back down. I have that set up like every minute to go up for a specified amount of time and then go back down. So it's kind of like he just raises his head and puts his head right back down again. That is controlled by this Arduino Uno. It's programmed to do that, and how much, the length of the stroke and all that on that cylinder. It also has a relay card in there you probably can't see, but it's underneath the Arduino. Let's see. Sorry about the fingers in the video. Then we'll go this way. And then here is the motor control board for the arms. That's for the in and out. And this is the radio control receiver. And this is the voice interface. This is what turns his syllables into the flashing of light. So that will control the neon and supply the power to the neon and the signal and all that. And around back is the speaker for the background noise. Yeah, it may look like a wiring mess, but each wire has a purpose. Keeping the positive separated from the negative. And this is a power regulator for the servos there. And then these hookups here, these two is for the arm in and out power. And then you have a whole bunch of servo wires. And that's for the left arm and the right arm elbows and the claw workings. So, I don't know. Of course, that device there is exactly what it says. That controls the crown in its head, the speed. So that's like a motor speed control right there. Really not much else over here except for the current voltage on the battery. Let's see. That's really about it. So the next step will be installing the torso.
My memory banks are also pleased. I also know you are very worried.